so abruptly, but I'm just really glad I got to make something super special for your birthday. I want to thank you for spending this year with us and bringing us so many new adventures and new music and covers, and I appreciate all the effort you go through with your videos. So I just wanted to thank you with a small video of my own for your birthday. I also wanted to give the opportunity to some other leaves to say happy birthday as well, so I'm gonna let that play now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you smiled and laughed and it took some stress off you. I love you so much. Now here's the other leaves.
Happy birthday, SOHEE! I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that 2021 will be very successful for you and nature, and that all your birthday wishes come true.
Hi SOHEE, happy birthday. Love you. Keep up the good work.
우 생일 축하합니다, 소희 언니. 넘넘넘넘넘넘넘넘넘 사랑해요. Have a great day. Eat lots of food. Celebrate with your friends and family. We all love you so much. Mwah.